the nature of desire is, there is no end to it. When Dashrath didn't have a child, the Avadvasis used to say, "Hey Bhagavan, inke beta ho jaye." When he had a child, now they say he should get married. Now he is married. They are still not satisfied. They want to see Ram on the throne. So they went to Dashrath and started praising him. Maharaj, aap kitne achhe hain. There is no king like you. You are the best king on the entire planet. No, in the whole universe. Then Dashrath thought, they are praising me so much. Kuch dal mein kala. It seems like they want something. So he said, let me go and take a look at myself. When the world praises us very much, we shall go and look at ourselves. Am I worthy of this praise? So Dashrath went and he saw his face in the mirror. And what did he see? Shravana Savipa Bhaye Sip Kesa Manahu Jaratha Panu Asa Upadesa. He found the hair close to the ear has started becoming white. So all those who are above 40, 45 must be knowing that the hair close to the ear, they first of all turn white, right? Because you apply soap out here. So Shravana Sameepa Bhaye Sita Kesa. And Dashrath said, oh my God, this body is made of mud. And the mud has started deteriorating. But these are indications from God. God has deliberately made it. See, at the time when you were a little child, at that time when you were drinking the mother's milk, we didn't have any teeth. And then slowly we had one set of teeth, but God knew that children, they have this weakness, they will eat too many chocolates, etc. So they'll get spoiled, let them fall out. And then again, when the age increases, again the teeth start falling out. God says, now you have to eat a little less. This is not the primary goal now, the pet puja. So, at that time, Dashrath decided that, my God, these are indications the end is near. God indicates that your teeth have fallen out. Stop eating pan. These are nivritti ka pratik. Just like if you go for a Sangeet Sabha and at 2 after midnight, the singers start Rag Bhairavi. That is the most attractive rag. So if they start Rag Bhairavi, the audience realizes this must be the last rag. Now after this, they will get up and go away. It's a nivritti ka pratik. Or if you go to Andhra Pradesh and dahi bhat comes, curd rice, then people understand this is the last item. Now don't ask for sweet. The dahi bhat is eaten last. Or if you go to Gujarat and the rice comes, first time I went to Gujarat for Prachar with my team members, we used to wonder, why don't they bring the rice? Why don't they bring the rice? Then somebody explained, no, Swamiji, the rice is eaten in the end in Gujarat. So bring it in the beginning is bad manners. God has also made this nivritti ka pratik. That your hair is turning white. Understand that the end is near. So we don't listen. We find some dye to turn it black again. But Dashrath was not like that. Dashrath understood. Shravana Sameep Bhaye Sita Kesa Manohu Jarat Panu Asopadesa Nripa Yuvaraj Rama Kena Dehu Jivan Janama Labh Kin Lehu. I should now hand over the kingdom to Ram and go into the forest and do sadhana. So now Dashrath went to Guru Vasishtha and he said, Gurudev, it seems that my praja desires to see Ram as their king now. They want to see a generation change. These oldies should leave and the new generation should come. And they love their Ram so much. So what do you think? Should we do the coronation of Ram? Vasish said, Dashrath, that is a brilliant idea. You must go ahead and do it. So once he got the confirmation from his Gurudev, Dashrath said, can you please take out the Shubh Tithi when we do the Raj Tilak of Ram? Vasish said, there is absolutely no need to take out Shubh Tithi. That Tithi at which Ram sits on the throne will be the Shubh Tithi. So Dashrath said, all right, in that case we will do it tomorrow. He instructed, make arrangements, tomorrow will be the Raj Tilak. He delayed by 1 day. Knowing it all, he postponed by 1 day. And that 1 day's delay, threw the whole of Ayodhya from such joy into complete darkness. We people do the same. We know. We hear in satsang we should do bhakti, we should do purn sharanagati. Mam ekam sharanam vraja. But we say, yes, that is right. I will do it not now, next year. And that is the biggest mistake. At the end of the Ram Katha, when Ram killed Ravan, so Ravan was fatally wounded and he was lying on the ground. Ram told Lakshman that, look, Ravan is about to die. Go and take Upadesh from him. He is a big jnani. Ravan was no ordinary person. He was a Bhashyakar of the Vedas. This being Ravan was only an act he was putting on. So go and get Upadesh from him. It is said a person's last words are very valuable. If that person is a jnani, he will share his lifelong advice. So get the advice from him. Lakshman went and stood by the head of Ravan. Tell me. Ravan said, Ram, your brother wants Upadesh from me and he's standing by my head. He doesn't have any sabhyata. Lakshman realized his mistake. He went and stood by the feet of Ravan. Ravan then said, Beta, remember 2 things. If ever you are inspired to do something bad, postpone it. It's possible later on you may change your mind. And whenever you get this Purna, to do something good, to do Sharanagati, to do a sacrifice, to do a dana, don't postpone it. Later on, maybe the opportunity may slip away or your mind may play mischief.